Hey guys, what's up? It's Sonic Spirit 19. Sorry it took for me a long time to get over here. My mom literally made me stay at home for like three we- 3 weeks, and I haven't been over here 3 years. I don't know how many times I haven't been over here, but yeah. So here we are with this tutorial. Sorry, I'm not really good at making these characters, because I wish they really did add the real stuff, but no, it's just the same. So okay, so let's get this over with. So hit AC. Head AC. Camera focus. 3,030, 371. Back hair. 100 for the dark eyes. 33. Sleeves 73. Gloves 3. Pants 23. Shoes 4,122. Dude, how hard is this to find the freaking wires on her hands? Oh wait, she doesn't even have hands. Yeah, I get it now. Yeah, of course, she doesn't even have hands. She only has like wireless hands. I wonder why. Oh my god, bro, this is like... Hold on, guys. Why is this doing this? Finally. Okay, 7,938. And that's it. Pause and copy it. Pause and copy it. Copy it. This is the outline. Paste it. Just put black in it. And you're done.